R.
Team.
Blue Sand.
Where?
From
Sir.
Winston.
Churchill.
High school.
Ivy.
Shafid.
Jordan.
Sam.
Shoaib.
Kevin.
Okay guys, we're gonna lower the amount of millets and see what happens.
Right now we have I feel like we have two little big holes and like the air's not being distributed properly. Yeah, so we might try to like poke some smaller holes more and like see if you look.
You're gonna drill into the... You're gonna... Wait, that's not even... Oh, no. Oh, no. Now we're testing with the new holes. Okay guys, right now we're trying to use a bigger container to see if we'll be able to get it to fluidize. We're gonna get new tubing and then add smaller holes the size of a thumbtack.
Because these ones are too massive.
Yeah, right now the beads are just going inside there instead of like getting pushed out. This would be too small.
Too small?
Yeah, maybe. Let's
So
just
we're
try it.
trying to, like,
yeah, that is way too. That's too small.
Yeah.
We use the screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
It's over there.
Do you have a different drill bit?
No, that's the smallest one.
That's the smallest one.
Or can you go from the top?
Intellectual.
Okay,
guys, we made really small holes with the tube, and we're seeing if it works now.
Okay, there's some improvements here.
Right now, we're just
We're
starting
trying
it up.
big holes now with this container.
Yeah, we're trying big holes, and we're starting it off before the millet comes in.
Is that actually a volleyball? Oh, damn.
Okay, so this time we're trying to
Let's play some volleyball.
we're trying to put smaller holes inside and closer together, so I hope that works better.
Yes.
Okay, so we added some more holes to it. It is working better. That's not supposed to happen though.
I think I know why. We used a 2-liter Coke bottle, in which we cut open the top and the bottom. When we cut open the bottom, we stuck a clear filter or a distribution plate throughout, and we punctured holes throughout so we can distribute the air evenly. We put a tubing at the bottom so we can connect to the air compressor, and we use strong duct tape to tape it all together so then the air will not escape. Okay, so Now we're connecting the tubing to the air compressor, and the material we're using is blue sand. It's actually fine stone granules, which we're gonna put in later.
Air compressor first.
So around 4 centimeters of depth.
We used these tubes, plastic tubes, and then we just like poked really large holes in them because we thought it would provide a lot of lift onto our millet grains, which would make it in turn float and liquefy. However, it didn't work because there's large volumes of air going through these really large holes, and it just created holes in the millets.
Okay, and for a solution, we tried having small holes, very densely packed to each other. However, this was also a problem because there was not enough lift for the grains to actually liquefy. And a solution for that was having this disc shape and poking small holes. This would allow the air to equally come through the holes and liquefy whatever's inside.
Okay, so we used blue sand as our final material to liquefying material, and however our original was millets. So the millet grains are very big, which made it hard to liquefy. And since the density of this is much less than the blue sand, the air just made the millet just fly everywhere, and it didn't liquefy at all. So we used this, which is more dense. So when the air just pushed it up, since it was dense, it didn't exactly like fly away, but it also liquefied.